Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the vlog. So today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. You guys, we're gonna try to check out the Cookout today. They don't want to see that. So right now, I'm just getting us ready. We are on a different journey. Someone's in the restroom, so you gotta wait.
No, please, I can't.
Okay, go check and see, and then ask someone.
In the morning. My dad was my iPhone in the
Hurry
day.
up, knock on the door and see. Knock on the door and see. It's outside. Okay, ask her.
Hold the bright into the right
Ask her, no, you can't stay out there. No, you gotta come back.
It's very hard to wait. Play that out.
Come here. All right, Lion Gang. Sorry about that. So right now I am. No, that's Brothers deodorant. And when you talking to Lion Gang?
I want to eat.
Hold on, Lion Gang. All right, y'all. So I had to go take him to the bathroom. They don't want, of course, you know, kids to be unattended. Go play with brother. Go pick up all that Play-Doh. Pick up Play-Doh. Play-Doh. What you want to show them?
I want to add.
Yeah, they got the little wrist thingies. Look at, you snapping it like this. It's too big for her, so. Let me see.
And it's too small for me. It's too small for me.
Uh-oh. Oh, there we go.
My wrist is too big.
So you just put it through.
My wrist is too big.
All right. Oh, see, yeah, it's too big, Mama. We gotta get a smaller one. But that's how it goes. Here. And go show brother. Go show brother. Go show brother.
Why is it so small for me?
I don't know why it's small for you.
My wrist is super small. But it feels like it's too big.
Anyways, y'all, so happy Friday. So, we made it another week, y'all. Whew. I like it though. It's a process, but y'all, them terrible twos, baby. Them terrible twos, baby. Get it together, girl. Okay, hold on, Lion Gang. All right, Lion Gang. So right now, I'm just getting our closet organized. We got mismatched socks everywhere. So today is our free day. It's Friday. It's our free day. We ain't got to, rush and do stuff today. So I can organize before we go to the Cookout. I heard so many good things about the Cookout. My older son, he was working at the Cookout and I think he's in Rome, Georgia. When he was in Rome, Georgia. I don't think he's no longer out there. I think he had to go back to Cali. He's like, I can't do this. I gotta go back to Cali. But I'm not for sure, but I think that's where he's at, or wherever he's at. I'll talk to him probably sometime this next week to touch base with him and see what he's up to. Yeah, it has been a struggle. I'm trying to hold it together because it's a process. Put your shorts on. Get her shorts, Z. It's a process in itself. I gotta work on me. Y'all, I'm learning so much. I thank God I'm able to see another year. London, stop whining. Put her shorts on, please. Thank God I'm able to see another year. And this year, well, as I'm getting older. Okay, hold on. Yeah, y'all. So like I said, this has been a journey and a learning process in the making, okay? All the above. But you know what? You gotta let people show them who they are. And once you know, like Medea say, Tyler Perry, Once they show you who you are, believe it. Because, you know, it happened. It's been good. It's been bad. It's been, you know, all the above. I'm not mad. I'm just glad God showed me things before, you know, it was too late. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm grateful for. Thank you, you know, God showing me people's true colors before it's too late. Because I got the little ones, you know, little ones with me, you know. But it has been good. You know, y'all see our journey. Y'all follow us. Y'all see. It gets greater. And I know it does. It gets greater. And the hardest part is the waiting process. That's the hardest part, is waiting, okay? But God says, ask and you shall receive. Wait on me. Wait on it. And I'm going to wait on it. We want to rush the process, but we can't, you know. But I'm going to do it. We're going to do it. We're going to get it done. We have nothing to it but to do it. Okay, nothing to it but to do it, y'all. So anyways, I hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful Friday. I don't know what I'm putting on y'all. I ain't got that many clothes with us. Everything is in storage. I just had to leave it where it was at because it was just, you know, a timing matter that we had to leave. So right now I'm just, you know, making this a little easier. Hey, I'm talking. Make this a little easier for myself while I'm, you know, we gotta be light. Sometimes you gotta travel light. You got socks, Z? Do you have socks, Z?
I have to go Jeremy.
Okay. You have socks, Z?
Hey, Jeremy.
Stop scaring her.
She scared me first.
All right, go back over there with Z. Go there with Z.
Mama.
I'm about to tackle his hair, y'all. I'm gonna attempt to. She do not like getting her hair combed, but baby, we gotta do. Hey, I'm talking. Z, I'm talking.
Come on. I care, mother face, mother
Hold on, Lion
face.
Gang. All right, Lion Gang, welcome to back to the vlog, because we started earlier doing baby girl hair. We finally accomplished that. Say hey, Lion Gang. Okay, you're too close. Say I got two ponytails.
Two ponytails like
So we was able to finally accomplish getting her hair done to where she can look decent at least, okay? Because she do not want nobody to touch her hair, okay? Y'all see my shirt? 40-something. I am 40-something today, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna keep on rocking my shirt. 40. Everybody be like, what 40-something mean? I'm 40-something else. I'm 40-something else, okay? So anyways,
happy birthday, Mom.
thank you, son. So we are about to go check out Cookout. They got burgers,
First you said
barbecue,
McDonald's,
hot
Mom.
dogs. We're gonna have to go over there because they don't have oh, they brought tables out probably.
Oh no, those were outside.
I see people outside, but
I guess
I don't know if it's a table or if they just standing. I can't really see from here.
I think they're just standing.
Oh, he about to get hit.
Who is?
This nice car, that Dodge right there. And then look at this one. It's in a hurry. We're gonna let them go ahead and do what they do, and then we're gonna go because we're not in a hurry. Let them go ahead. So anyway, you have to go right here to Cookout. Yeah, we are. What you mean by yet? It's already after. It's already after 2. Yeah, we have a curfew at 4:30. And wait, what's the problem? We gonna go over there. To McDonald's after. Let's go see what they got over here first. I said I want to come here. I don't know if that's part of the plan. I don't know. Let me look and see first. Let me see what they got, okay? Let's look at. Walk up. So let's see. Let's see what they have. Like I said, I've never been to one when you walk up. Always have the drive-through. So we're gonna see. Well, they got Cajun fries. They got what is that? White cheddar cheese bites. Walking taco. Yeah, right there in the middle, in the green. So I'm gonna show y'all their menu real quick. Let me move baby girl up a little bit. Hold on, y'all. Gang. So I had went on and got the Cajun fries. I really was undecisive of what I wanted. We did get the what we got? Baby girl got. Oh, that was quick. Okay. Yeah, Snickers. Yes. Okay. So I did get the what we got for baby girl? Corn dogs and chicken tender, chicken strips. Thank you. Okay, Z, grab the drink. You got the spoon too? You tell you got it, but you don't got it. Thank you. You too. You tell you got it, but you don't got it. Yeah, we got a Snickers. It's a Snickers shake. So I'm trying to see. Everything looks good over here. I just don't know what I want. Maybe I'll be in the mood on the way back. We'll come back by on the way back. On our way back and see if I want a burger. But they got this whole side right here. I'm gonna show you the outside. Hold on, Lane Gang. All right, Lane Gang. So we just left Cookout. We had to come across the street to McDonald's because my picky son wanted a Happy Meal. But we got some Cookout. We got some Cajun fries. You wanna try the Cajun fries? She said, yeah, Mom. Y'all, I look crazy. Oh, are you kidding me? What's that? Oh. I always tell you, move your drink to the front of you. Okay. I always tell you that. It don't change. No, you're not sorry because you don't listen. Don't worry about it. It'll dry. Long as you didn't did you bust the cup?
I think I did.
Yep, you busted at the bottom right here. Go put it in trash. Hurry up, it's dripping. No, don't put that in your mouth. It was on the ground. What's wrong with you? And keep your stuff inside the box. Use this cup. Use that cup. Go take it. Just dump the water in the, what's it called? And make sure you grab another straw. Sorry, Lion Gang, y'all. Boys, I tell you, he just dropped his soda on the ground and then want to try to put the thing in his mouth. Like, no. You get another one, okay? But we also got, okay, hold on. Y'all, she want to try these Cajun fries, but they still hot. Let them cool off for a minute. So anyway, so what I got a Junior 2 strip. We got the fries and a corn dog. And I got Snickers shake. You didn't get it? Oh. Why you just think, okay, you want extra right now. Extra. Yeah, he do extra. He went a whole circle, okay? I know I look crazy, but it's my birthday and I'm not caring. I was gonna get all dolled up, but then it's rainy and gloomy out, and I'm just like over it. Okay, so we just not gonna do that. But anyway, so we trying the cookout for the first time.
Yeah, first
So here are the chickens. Ooh, they got some thick
what are
chicken
you
strips.
talking about? I didn't got no Pokemon. Stop saying that.
Okay, chicken strips and it got corn dog. It's hot. Okay, hold on. Yeah, it's scorching hot. I thought it had cooled off by the time we made it across the street. Hold on.
So this is
You have to go get some ketchup. Never mind. Hey, man.
whoa.
Okay, hold on. They got a little spice to them, y'all. This corn dog is hot. It's hot, baby. Hold on. Burn my fingers. They spicy, huh?
No. Tangy. Oh man. It's spicy and tangy. I'd eat this.
Don't you waste it, boy. Calm down. You better calm down. Don't you waste that drink. Got my computer right here. I got my computer, and he already done dropped the soda. Luckily, I had the cup because he would have been out of a drink. I was like, let me just go ahead and bring it. Because I have to keep me some water. H2O at all time. Y'all know my H2O is the way to go. I got to keep it all the time. So, like I said, we're going to try this cookout.
And I got a happy
Wait for a second. Thank you, Father God, for blessing this food that be nourishment to our body. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
We say,
Amen.
So, y'all, they gave us a lot of fries. If I had known I would have only got one tray. I wouldn't have got extra fries. If I had known I was going to do that, I need ketchup. They fries good, but I'm going to need some ketchup.
Yeah.
Huh?
Spicy for you?
No, I like french fries with ketchup. So, y'all, I have to rig my phone. But I talked to the Facebook fam as well. We can't leave them hanging. And I gotta do a reel. So let me go to my Facebook. So you can see what we got. We got the cookout going on over here. Hold on, you can talk to me in a minute. See, hold on.
Oh, yeah, we got the cookout.
Where's my reel? Oh, here's reel. Leave that toy put up. Sorry, Lion Gang. I didn't mean to yell. Put it up until we get finished. No, your food is gonna get cold. Put it
I
up.
was trying to fix it because it got stuck. Oh, something got stuck. Look. See? I'm trying to fix it. Something got stuck, Mom. I told you, Mom. It didn't get stuck.
You better not knock that drink down like you just did before. Okay. So I gotta try to put my timer. Okay. It's already set for 3 seconds. This shake is thick.
Fries.
It ain't coming out.
Fries.
Grab it.
They're spicy, Mom.
That's good. Oh, what happened?
Yeah, spicy.
Let's delete that. 'Cause I couldn't even.
No more. No more Cajun fries, no more.
Cookout.
I think this one might taste better than that one.
This chicken is hot. Eat your corn dog. Corn dog.
No. It tastes
What
good.
happened?
It's not enough flavor.
Come on, stop.
Oh, there we go.
Stop.
What? taste it?
Taste what?
It's thick.
Ice cream.
Mm.
Ice cream. Mama, ice
Jeez, I
cream.
like the ice cream. Good.
Mama, ice cream.
Yeah, what was that?
Put them up.
Okay, Mom.
Give them to me now. Come here. No, right now. No, give me the cards.
Oh, please, don't put them up.
Now. Eat the fries. They're getting cold. Give them to me. You supposed to wait till you finish anyway. Now.
Oh, please, don't put it
No,
back.
don't put it with the food.
I'm not gonna. Oh, give it back.
Eat. Eat.
Mama.
You messing my video. Yeah, he messing my video up. He about to. Yeah, she done taste this ooh. Snickers shake and she want more. Is it good, baby girl?
Mama.
Eat your fries, please.
Mama.
After you eat your fries, it's gotta melt a little bit. I know, y'all. Mom life never stops, okay? I want some ketchup. How you take our chicken? You see the one then? You want to try barbecue sauce? Barbecue sauce, y'all. I thought that was a ranch. What? Birds? Mm-hmm. So yeah, he didn't want the Cookout chicken strip, but he wanted to take his sister's chicken strips. And they're good too.
No, they're not.
They crunchy.
Sour.
What's sour?
Tenders.
We'll get it back. That chicken good.
Why?
The only thing I like being outside them flies.
You should
Okay.
have stayed inside, man.
What?
You should have stayed inside
They
McDonald's.
playing music. I can't. I can't hear me talk. I do a voiceover.
Nugget.
That's what I said about the ice cream.
Nugget.
Did he give her a nugget? Linda? Can you go get regular ketchup, please? Go that way.
Some fries? Mm.
No, she said a nugget.
I ran out.
Okay, what else is your box? Yeah, I hope it don't rain no more. The sun trying to come out. Y'all see the clouds behind me. It's extra cloudy. Could you get ketchup, please? I need Coke. You ain't getting that whole soda. I should got another drink. I need a Coke, y'all. That was my whole purpose of coming out to get me a Coke. Other than that, I wouldn't have came out. It was there inside. But hold on, Langy. All right, y'all. I had to do that real quick. I still gotta do TikTok, Instagram. But I can't play music on here for y'all. G, sit down for make them own fries. I don't want to get copyright. So for music, I still gotta do Instagram. Instagram? A reel on Instagram?
Oh.
Oh my God, puppy. You see puppy? No, don't touch nothing until I tell.
Oh, you finished eating.
All them fries right there.
Okay, Lena.
Y'all, these fries got a little kick. I need a Coke. Okay, you done with that drink? You trying to give it all to her?
No, she likes fries. Come on, Mom. If I didn't give her no fries, she'd be crying. Asking for fries. How would I be a mean brother and not give her fries? I'm a nice brother.
Y'all, these chickens just bang. I need some ranch. Time for y'all. I'm gonna give me a Coke. You just crack your cup. I don't want to buy another cup. You always doing stuff, man. What you want? Corn dog? What? You want some chicken? There's chicken over there. Y'all. All right, y'all. I had to take the top off of it so I can get to the real deal, okay? Because it's still full. I still got a lot in here to call at. I gotta kill it. I gotta kill it, y'all. I gotta kill it. Okay, put some in the spoon. Hold on, dang it. See, you want to start melting and stuff. There you go. Look. Yeah. Yum.
Mom.
Not right now.
Hold on, Mom. Hold on.
How many napkins you got over there, Z? I'm gonna look at peanuts, Snickers. Here. So that's another thing, y'all. They had all types of shakes. I want to try that was a piece of Snickers. I want to try them all, well not all, but some were regular flavors, some were, I think I showed some of them to y'all. Let's go be on here. But This Snickers is banging. Yeah, I'm so tired. You already know when you eat, you get sleepy. And that's how I feel right now.
Guys, I'm a good Pokemon collector card person. Because I really like cards and I collect them all. I gotta catch them all. Gotta catch them all.
Okay, there's nothing about Pokemon in my video.
But I do gotta catch them all.
Okay. And then you gotta put coconut cup. And then you put your orange in here, but I need some ice. So fill up with ice and then put Coke in there. It feels so good out here, y'all. As long as it don't start, oh, them clouds is coming. Once that long as it start pouring down raining, and watch, it's gonna start sprinkling. That's why I said it don't rain. You want some more? Here. You want to get mommy Coke? Shoot it. What you got? Just drop it. I'm gonna hurry up. My bag about to die. Y'all, the good stuff at the bottom. Mm-hmm. You see birds? Because you see birds, y'all. Y'all, let me some Snickers. They had a Hershey's too, y'all. I want to try that Hershey's. This boy drinking my sauce, I'm about to bust him in his head. Don't drink my drink. Here.
I want it right now.
This Snickers is good at the bottom of this shake, y'all. I gotta dig them out.
What does that taste like?
The Snickers, piece of Snickers.
Tastes good?
Tastes good. It's got the peanuts and caramel. No. Leave stuff alone.
Same pose.
That's another thing, y'all. They prices were good. And they give you a lot of food. I said I wanted just chicken tenders. She said it's a whole meal. They come with two sides. So we was able to get a shake, a corn dog, and chicken strips and french fries for $4. So they are budget friendly. I guess you just gotta be in the mood to eat, because this still was a lot of food. Here, there still was a lot of food for $4. And that was a junior meal. That wasn't even a big, a regular meal. That was a junior. What? There you go. Why are you bringing napkins back, baby?
I got some napkins in here.
Okay, give me one for her. What? Okay, give it to me. Oh, you're cutting up. Stop. Let it go. Well, put it on. Yeah, these turbo twos, I tell you. Say thank you, brother.
There you go, Mom.
you going? It might start spinning. We gotta get ready to go. Leave her alone, please. Yeah, I am tired. I didn't make no special plans for my birthday, so we just, me and the kids just spending, I guess, quality time. Ah, don't put that in your mouth, London. Ah. Take it out. 3, don't pull it, you might pull her teeth out. London, stop. You don't want your teeth? You don't want teeth?
She said teeth.
Put that in the trash here.
What's in there?
Just French fries, just a little bit. We ate it all, except for a few fries, because I have got extra fries. Yeah, you gonna pull your teeth out. Stop doing that, girl. Yeah, I'm so tired. I'm gonna go take me a nap, attempt to take a nap. Like it's about to start raining, Z. Come on. Z gonna give it to you. Get her a shoe and put it on her feet. And then put this back there in the back. Put it in the back. On top of there.
She put her other shoe on wrong.
So yeah, I'm 40-something today. 40-something.
So happy birthday to my mom.
I'm 40-something today.
Say happy birthday, Mom. Happy birthday, Mom.
Thank you, London.
Did you have the best birthday day ever, Mom?
It is what it is. It's another day. Mommy here another year.
What's the best?
That's all that I'm worried about. All grateful to be here another year. I wanted some cake, but we got, hey, a shake, okay? I was gonna get ice cream from McDonald's, but I just went on and got the shake. And it's Snickers, one of my favorite. Hershey's is my favorite, but Hershey's is my favorite. Don't do that, so you don't even like it. We'll get another kind next time. Put this on the back of the stroller. Don't spit over here. People gotta walk over here. Put it in the trash. We're almost done. We're gonna wrap this up.
You really have to get that kind.
Ooh, excuse me. So like I said, baby girl. Ooh. Dang. Baby girl, let me tackle her hair. Say, hey, Lion Gang, I'm eating ice cream. So, yeah, I guess I'm going to catch y'all. Hey, Z, where you going? Bathroom? Better hurry up. So, I guess I'll catch y'all a little later if this video is not over. Y'all will see me later. And if you don't see me later, I will catch you next time. Bye. Say bye, Lion Gang. See you next time. Y'all see your dirty face? All right, y'all.